What is up, YouTube? Coming at y'all here with a quick unboxing. Engine rebuild kit from Mizumo Auto has finally came from California. I think it came from, but it's finally here. Came all the way from California, and I'm about to show y'all everything it consists of. Now I'm going to throw up there the kit that I paid for. I paid for one that was about like $169 and some change. But it's basically just pistons and gaskets and the bearings. That's all this kit consists of, because all the other stuff I said I want to get from Z1 Motorsports, because that's like that's just stuff, like I said, that I don't think that I should use from a cheap engine kit. Plus there's some parts, like I told y'all, that I want to upgrade to make better from what the DE comes with. But yeah, we're gonna dive straight in and show y'all what everything it came with. So starting first, this looks like every upper gasket right here. That's what this looks like. Also, it looks like the exhaust manifold gaskets in there, but as y'all see, we have the valve cover gaskets. That's the most noticeable. Plenum gasket. I'm not going to open any of this up because I don't want anything to fall out. I don't want to lose anything, so I'm not going to open this up just yet. But yeah, this is, as y'all see, intake. All the plenum gaskets are in here. I don't know what this gasket's for, but I guess we'll find out once we start tearing into the engine. But this is a unique looking gasket. I never seen nothing like that before. But also, I don't know what these are either. Those had to be for some type of bolts. I'm not sure if they're for the bolts for the valve cover. I'm not sure if that's what those are for, but there's those. I believe the galley gasket should be in here as well, or a gallery gasket. But yeah, this is all basically all the upper gaskets, and there might be there's a little bit of hardware, as y'all seen in there, but all the upper gaskets right there. I'm gonna grab. You have all the lower end gaskets right here. Oil pan gasket. Couple. Guess that's the rear main seal, and the front main seal should be in here. I don't know what these are, but like I said, I'm gonna be ordering a Haynes manual. We'll know the correct name for all of these parts here soon. But this is, I know this is the oil pan gasket for sure, and I think that's front and rear main seal in there. But yeah, this just is all the lower end stuff, and I guess the VQs don't come with a upper oil pan gasket, so they sent out this high temp silicone. It's from Evergreen. Everything says Evergreen on it, but I ordered from Mizumo Auto, so I don't know if that's just a brand of the parts, and the parts store I ordered from is called Mizumo Auto. But yeah, we have some bearings right here. These are, I'm not sure if these are the engine bearings or the rod bearings right here, but here goes a set of bearings right here. And they're vacuum sealed. As y'all see, these are literally vacuum sealed in like this bubble wrap, so they all look in decent condition. I didn't open it up or none of that. Also, what is this? Oh, piston rings. I didn't open this up yet, but I'm going to open up. I'm going to see what's in here. Open this up real quick. Looks like all the piston rings and stuff right here. The piston rings are right there. Y'all know them VQs, them piston rings, they like to go like very quickly. What else we got in here? Some more engine bearings. I don't know what bearings these are. These could be the main. I know the thrust washers are in here. Thrust washers are in here, and some more bearings. Let's see if I can pull this out. Yeah, I don't know where these bearings go, but I understand that the engines, they usually have rod bearings and then the actual engine bearings and all that. But here go more engine bearings, and like I said, the thrust washers. I did open this little box earlier. I believe these are the thrust washers right here. Let me keep these right here so I know where the box they came out of. The head gaskets. Now, I ain't gonna lie, they look decent. But like I said, I'm still gonna go with new ones. I'm not gonna use these. These are new, but I'm not gonna use these ones. I'm gonna use the ones from Z1 Motorsports. So I'll probably either keep these as a backup or even give them away or sell them to someone. But those are the head gaskets right there. And the last thing that I saved for last is, hold on, let me move some of this stuff out the way. Last thing, the pistons. So these are all 6 pistons right here. All 6. I'll open one of them up. Take it out of the plastic real quick. Ooh. Yeah, let me be gentle with this and not like slam it around or anything. So hold up, let me open this up real quick. Alright guys, here is the piston. It says STD on it because this is a standard piston. I didn't get any oversized pistons or anything. Just see, that's where the piston rings will go. I keep forgetting the name of the rod that goes through here that connects the connecting rod to the piston, but somebody correct me down in the description. Let me know what the name of that part is so I don't forget. But this is it right here. One of the pistons. All 6 of them look like this. I did look at them. I had to make sure they all at least, you know what I mean, are the exact same because I don't need no inconsistencies on these at all. But they look like they're in good shape. I don't have no complaints so far. Of course, I won't be able to tell if anything is correct or anything until I start doing the work. But yeah, piston right here. I'm gonna put that back inside this bag right here real quick. Try to put that in there without scraping or hitting it down real hard. There we go. It's back in that bag. Oh. There we go. Back in there. Comes with like these snap rings that hold these in place. These little bars. I don't want to open these because I don't want nothing to get like rusted or anything to get on it. Here go a few, like I said, these are snap rings for those in here. I don't think there's nothing else in here. Yeah, it's just the rest of the pistons in here. Put this, flip them all upright. Whoa. Oh, that's the plastic folded. I thought the piston was cracked. My heart dropped for a second. But yep, I'm gonna put all these in here. But this is like I said, this is the Mizumo Auto kit that I was telling y'all about that I didn't see too much research on. So we all gonna find out together, basically, if this is a good kit that anyone could order, like to rebuild their VQ. Like meaning like you just want to get your car back on the road. You don't care about performance really, and you just want to get the car back running. So we're going to see if these parts are worth it, and if not, like I said, in the end, worst thing is we're just going to have to pull the engine out, rebuild it with some good parts, or just find a new engine to put in there. But yes, I can't wait till this new journey of basically rebuilding the VQ starts. Like I said, I already got the engine stand right there, just got to put it together. All the other gaskets and stuff in that box, pistons right here. Yeah, things are starting to come along for me, y'all. Everything's starting to come along for these cars. Like I told y'all, we gonna be going all full throttle on this stuff. All gas, no brakes. All gas, no brakes on these cars, man. I'm not wasting no more time. I'm not lollygagging or none of that with these cars no more. Not procrastinating anymore. So in about a week, I should have the engine hoist, and then we're going to start. I'm going to go through and start putting my videos on my channel and playlists, so that way y'all can be able to follow along with each car correctly through, so that way y'all know basically everything that I added basically in sequential order. It's like type of deal. But yeah, we're going to start the series of replacing the engine in the VQ. Or not replacing it, rebuilding it, I should say. And like I said, I'm excited to see what's going to happen with this kit. I have high hopes for it. I really don't want to, I'm not going to have my hopes too high, but
I think this kit is going to work and do its job. Like I said, 6 to 8 months. That's all I'm asking for. And like I said, LS swap in the future. But put all this back in here. That's all I have for y'all today, guys. I will see y'all in the next video. I need y'all to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers, y'all. Let's try and make it there. So share this with anybody that likes cars. Anything that they like about cars. So like I said, I'll see you guys in the next video.